Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2 of how to make a zombie shooter game. So, we left off last episode with having a working character so we can move around with a gun that goes to the player and bullets that shoot to zombies. In this episode, I'll be showing you guys how to add multiple guns. So see, if we go to my guns sprite, I added 2 more, or 4 more costumes. So you can't really see it, but let me just... Okay. I have a rifle, not assault rifle kind of, for one of the guns. Same here, just upside down. And then I also have a shotgun, as you can see. Same thing with here. This one's upside down, so right and left, just make sure to label them. And in the bullets, I have different bullets for each gun. Now you can choose to have the same bullets or not, but I like it like this. And in the zombies, I just added 2 more zombies, so fast and a tank. First, let's start scripting with the gun and making it so if we click like the numbers, so if we click 1, it'll go to pistol, 2, shotgun, and 3 for the rifle. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take out the shoot variable here, because this isn't for, this is just for anything. And we want to make it so each one has a specific fire rate, as well as it'll have a specific moving back, so it'll look like we're shooting more heavily. So first, in here, we're going to make it so, let's make a new block and call it gun select. Select, you can do run without screen refresh in here. Now it's always going to foreverly do this. Now in the define gun select, we'll do if, and then we'll do a key, and we need 1. So scroll all the way down. So if the key 1 is here, make a new variable and call it selected gun for all sprites. We're going to set the selected gun to pistol. Now the reason why I told you to name the gun first, then their attachment, so if it's right or left, was so you can do here. So let's just say we must start with the game with a pistol, but we're making it so if we ever click a different number, so let's say we click 2 now, we can switch to rifle. Make sure it's spelled the exact same as in here, or else it won't work. Same thing here, so if the key 3 is pressed, then we'll set it to shotgun. Now if you just test that out, as you can see, we can smoothly move between those 3. Now let's make it so the costumes show the correct one. So get a select gun. Now we're going to need to go to operators and get a join. So a selected gun and then join. Now I have, so we have right to the little dash. So that and then right. The gun, and then we can do the exact same thing, except instead of having it right, we can just do it left. Now let's try it. So, now I need to change the size of it, but you see, we can smoothly change between these guns. But shooting won't work yet because we took it out, but if we put it back in, as you can see, we can shoot with all these guns, but the bullets don't work, and I think a shotgun's supposed to shoot multiple bullets, not one. So let's fix this. So with the block shoot, we're gonna customize this now. And we're going to do if. We're going to make a big if statement. So, actually, you know what? We can just add a and here. And selected gun is equal to pistol. So, pistol. Put all this in there. So, first we're going to check if the gun is equal to pistol. And then we're going to check if the fire rate is less than 0. And then we're going to check if mouse down. Now we can do this again, but now we're going to change this and put it into okay, we're going to put it to rifle now. So rifle, and I think we'll probably lower it to like a 1, even like a 0.9. and we'll change it by 0.4. I think we're just gonna move a bit less, so like 0.5. And last one, if fire, I think the fire is gonna be like 2 seconds on this one. 1.2, same thing for crystal. I think we're gonna move back like 12 steps. So now let's try it. Okay, wait, I'm lagging a bit. Alright, as you can see, pistol shoots. As you can see, we can shoot pretty good with the rifle, except the bullets are way too big. But I like that. Let's make it a bit slower though, because I think it's shooting way too fast. Put it back to 0.2. Okay, let's put this at 1. Alright, that's a bit better. Now let's go to a shotgun. Now, okay, I forgot to do something. Alright, so one problem we have is if I open the fire rate. Wait. Oh, okay, alright. We have it as a rifle. Supposed to be shotgun. Alright. Now we can do fire rate to 2, yeah. But we're gonna do a repeat sign. So we have a repeat, pick random, and let's make it a 3 to 6. So now as you can see, that's a big line right there. I think 2 is a bit too little, so I'll make it 3. Okay, now our gun works perfectly good. So if I just go here, as you can see, we can perfectly shoot with a normal pistol. Wait, let me just see something quickly. Okay, wait. Our gun is shooting as fast as... Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have an if-else statement, and I shouldn't have done it. My bad. So we'll just take all this out, and instead we're just gonna have one big if, and just don't put do it like this instead. My bad. Because the problem is we're calculating this speed for every single one. So that means it's reloading twice as fast. So we should fix that. So I have a rifle, pistol, putting the fire rate back on the pistol to 1.5.4, or actually 1.6. And for the shotgun, for 4. By the way, thanks for Griffpatch for the programming. I actually got this idea from Griffpatch with the Lemonoids. So if you like that, go check him out. He's a really good programmer on Scratch. So let's continue. So now it should work perfectly fine. As you can see, our bullet shoots normally. Our rifle shoots better. And I forgot to put the repeat. So repeat, pick random, 3 to 6. Okay, that should work better. And whenever we see something, whenever we move, the shotgun lags behind. Now, the reason why is because when we clone this isn't actually running. So I think we could do like a new forever loop. I think that should work. We'll do that instead. Now let's try that. Yeah, okay, that's better. Okay. Now that we have this working selection, let's go to the bullet. Now you see how we just switched to the costume bullet pistol, switch that into selected gun, join, same thing I did to the other one, except this time we're just gonna do that and then bullet. I think that should be the same for every single one. Yep. Okay. Now let's try that. So that. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, I'm gonna change the size of the gun real quickly. Now what you can do is you can just put a set size here. So oh yeah, by the way, this is a good time to actually use our algorithm where it's change size. I think it's like this with a size. Choose a size, so I think 100 for the pistol. Or choose 75 because that's what we have right now. And then move this by 4, and I think that should be the same. Let me just test that out. For the rifle, I'm going to go to like 60. Now let's try that. You see, it smoothly changes in size. Now let's do it for the shotgun. I think the shotgun's going to be just the same size. Yeah, 60 works good. 60 works good. I think up to 6 is too much. I'm going to do 5. Alright. I'll make this like 55 and let's try that. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the bullet. Even though we switch size to it and do all this, we have these. We have all of these. So, I want to make it so the shotgun bullets are a bit slower and then the rifle bullets. But we can do that later. So first, we first have to make it so, because whenever we shoot with a pistol, it aligns perfectly fine. Okay, I think 15 is a bit too much. I mean 20. Make it like 15. Yeah, okay, 15 works really good. So I'm just gonna change that, and I think that'll be done for this episode. So we're first gonna make an if-else. So we can bring one of those. Selected gun is equal to. Well, actually, we can just take this and plop. Alright, now we made an if-else. So if the pistol now if it's equal to pistol, so pistol, we're gonna do this to align the bullet with the gun. Else, if it's a rifle, I think we're gonna go a bit lower with 3. So let's try that. Right. Alright, yeah, that looks a bit better. Let's make it 2 actually. Yeah, look, that looks better. And a shotgun, I think we're gonna make it same thing. I think maybe even like 1 would be good. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in here and do negative 10, negative 7. Alright. This looks nice. Alright, so far so good. Now I have new weapons we can use. Now, for the shotgun, I forgot to do, was go back to the bullet. Now in the shotgun here, I don't know. Now if you want to add more weapons, you can do an if-else, and then do that. But since this is all the weapons I'm probably going to have in this tutorial, or in this series, I can just do it like this. I ended off with an if equals to shotgun. Now, I want to do something, okay? So you know how we do a point in direction here? I want you turn, okay, we're going to turn either negative 10 degrees to 10 degrees. So let's try that with the shotgun. Yes, now the shotguns fly out different directions. But I don't think it's enough. Let's make it like negative 15 to 15. Let's try that. Alright. I think I'm also going to do that for the rifle, but it's just a smaller number. So, you like negative 5 to 5. It's just a small number, not too much. Alright. Now, I think it's going to be done for this series. Next episode, we'll add the zombies and custom health, or more zombies, and we even add to custom damage, so like shotgun will do more damage than a pistol. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.